Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the working frame and organizing layers so nothing overlaps unexpectedly. Import or place your reference, then add a dedicated paint layer and a mask group. This keeps edits non-destructive. Select your primary tool, use the vector brush for quick strokes or the pen for precise shapes, switch to fill for broad color blocks. Set opacity and pick swatches that match your palette. Once done, make a first pass with broad shapes to establish composition and color proportions. Now you block in the main forms, midtones first, then highlights and shadows, so you can read volume quickly. Use separate fills or vector shapes for each value and apply Boolean operations to merge or subtract forms. Masks help you limit paint without erasing. Apply feather or background blur to soften transitions. Use gradients and blend modes like multiply for shadows and screen for glow. Make small, intentional 0.5 to 1 px strokes for texture. As you work, toggle visibility to check silhouette and balance. Finish by adding texture and finishing touches, tiny highlights, edge cleanup, and subtle grain to make the paint feel tactile. Export at the required resolutions. Choose 2x PNG or SVG for vector clarity and confirm sRGB for web. If you see banding, jagged edges, or blending glitches, first toggle off effects to isolate the issue. If that fails, duplicate and rasterize the problematic layer. Then rebuild the mask while keeping your originals hidden. This preserves editability and removes rendering artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.